Hey guys, what's good? This is Andre, and today's video is gonna be a little bit short because I'm a bit tight on time, but I still wanted to give you guys an update. So the first one that I want to speak about, guys, would be Tesla. Then we're gonna have a look at gold, and then I want to show you guys what the USD is doing against the South African rand. What I want to show you first would be our Twitter, guys. Please check us out on Twitter. We post a lot of really valuable content. If you find it useful, please feel free to follow. Then secondly, stop missing out, guys. We have just sent out a reminder a bit earlier today with regards to USDZAR offering a really good entry point. Now, by the time I create these videos and by the time I upload them to YouTube, it usually takes at least a day, if not a couple of them. But for just 15 bucks a month, you can get access to all of that on Patreon. And guys, we still have the $5 tier available up until the end of the month. We're gonna sunset it at the end of the month, so don't lose your only chance to try us out for a really affordable amount of money and just see if we're a good fit for each other. Now, with regards to USDZAR here, guys, we called it out last time it retested this zone, and then we called it out earlier today when it was retesting yesterday's low. You guys can see what I posted here basically, which was a ridiculous 1-to-4 risk to reward ratio. We are bouncing higher already, so that we're already in the money with that trade that we took. Now, what we said on Twitter earlier today was a post about Tesla, and I was just talking about wanting to see a break through this trend line on Tesla and a retest of the trend line from below. It kind of looks like we were lucky enough to get both of them in a single day. We got a break below through a gap down, and now we're retesting it throughout the day here. So I think this is a really good shorting moment for Tesla here. I'm gonna start looking at some options trades. I want to take a short here through options, and I think that it would be very feasible for Tesla to retest $220 here within the next, I would say, 3 to 5 weeks. So that's my take on Tesla. The final one here, guys, would be on gold. So for gold, I want to show you guys that we have finally retraced into that magic circle that we drew so long ago. I think I've had this circle on for probably at least, I would say, 3 weeks here, and fans of the channel can definitely attest to that. I love the fact that this retraced back exactly in that circle that we drew for such a long time, and now we're just waiting, guys. I took a small position here. I am willing to add lower down if gold against the dollar here moves lower down. I think that we still have this very important demand area over here, which is potentially going to bring even more buying power to this metal, and let's see how it goes, guys. I'm excited for this one. I think this gives us a really fantastic opportunity to long this from here, and I mean, I would probably place the take profit area roughly at 2075 if you're patient enough, and I'm willing to let this one slide a bit. I'm willing to let it slide at least up until 1885, if not a bit lower, honestly, and just keep adding because I'm bullish for the medium to long term here. So I would probably just keep adding as it goes through different levels that I'm eyeing here. I'm gonna keep you guys posted. Check us out on Patreon, guys. Stop missing out on trades. Check us out on Twitter. Like and subscribe. I'm gonna catch you guys tomorrow. Take care.